Uh,
What's up, bro?
what's up? Mustard.
Hold on, no, I didn't blow this account. All right, I'll just try this account then. Yeah.
Oh no! Oh no! No! Wait for no! Wait for no! Wait for no.
Hold on, what? Am I in the wrong? I'm in the wrong. All right. All right, my bad. Damn. I was like, why the hell am I losing so much damn money? Yo, I was like, yo, what? Why am I already down like $800? Why is there?
Oh shit! What were you doing?
Hello? Okay, I think that's probably what it was. Just trying to catch this scout on the on ES, and I was in the wrong strategy. I just put myself into 11 mini contracts just now. I was in 11 minis. I was like, yo, what? Why am I down so much so
fast? Big strategy. Go all in. Dang, just like I said, they sold off, but they pumped this thing right back up.
Mm-hmm.
QSI. Dang, no way. I should probably take profits. Like what? Damn, we already hit the 350 area. It's not fair. Well, I guess that's my fault for not being ready.
Hey, come on, NQ. You ain't had to do that shit.
Yep, it's my fault for not being ready.
This is why I love my Apex account. I mean, unless she's gonna be nasty here.
Dang. Yeah. Yeah, boy is up.
Shit.
See, let's take a look at this. See where we at.
Damn,
We
down
up
300.
almost 300% on
Down
shares.
300.
Okay, so
Hey,
they
what's
hit
up,
the
Rose? What's up?
level. 350 level ran
Oh
up.
shit.
See if we get a sell off or
we probably
just a
do.
pullback.
Well, not a sellout, but a pullback. Probably like a pullback or something.
Yeah, I'm watching. These shares up almost 300%, dude. On some shares. They're gonna have to add some more strikes.
This is that QSI play that Smith told y'all guys about. He bought in at what, $1.29?
At $1.29.
Mm-hmm.
But of course, not financial advice.
Always.
That mess is sitting at $5. Crazy. Shoot, I was talking about the 350 strike. Shoot, the 550 strike might get hit before the 17th. Yeah, they just following the hype train though. I wouldn't. Yeah, I'm just playing it, see how high it can go, and then I'll probably be looking to take some profits out of that.
Mhm.
Move on to the next thing. You shorting for the pullback?
Yeah. Just the pullback. Just the pullback. I'm thinking that we can probably get back down to the 200 EMA or somewhere around that area, and then I wouldn't mind going long there.
Oh yeah, you're looking at ES. I'm like, what are we talking? Like the NQ? I'm like, man, that's way down there. I'm like, I hope not.
Oh yeah.
No, that'd probably be a good buying spot though. Because I mean, we based off this, yeah, we kind of just slow grinded up all pre-market, and then
I always test that damn 50 EMA. Always do that shit. Good morning, Alfred. Good morning. I always never trust that damn thing. Always never trust it. Damn. Should I trust it at this time? Hold on. Ah, dude, this thing literally point. All right. Let's see what happens here. I'm not scared of the trailing drawdown. I mean, I'm not afraid of that shit. I'm not afraid of no ghosts.
I ain't from that's the first thing I thought of.
I am afraid of is that they're gonna pop this damn thing. And I ain't had the best entry. Or I don't have the best entry. I missed this entry at 56. Missed it. So if I got that entry at 56, I would have got my 10, I would have got my 2 targets hit. That's my fault. That's my fault. I just have to yeah, I might just have to wait and see. Man,
Yeah. Along the top and got away with it. Let's go. Along the top and got away with it. Oh, I wish I would have caught that in my MFF. Dang it.
It's not fair.
Along the top, got away with it.
Not fair. It's not fair.
Dang, yo. This is straight. Look at this 5-minute chart. Look at these candles on the 5-minute. Dang. Did you hop in anything yet? What? How you not get in on this bullish action?
Oh shit, you know what that means, baby. You know what that means.
Look, we have 420 already. I wanted to. It's not fair.
Man, this probably gonna be the top, man. As soon as I get in this damn thing.
You think this is the top?
Nah, it's probably not.
Shoot.
It's probably not.
Shorts are dangerous. Shorts are dangerous. Gonna be one of them days.
It's probably not.
Dangerous shorts. Better just be looking to scalp, if anything.
Mm-hmm. So I'm really down 2,700. Stupid trailing drawdown.
I mean, this 5 minute chart, this message is straight up.
Mm. You. Mm.
I don't even know how to play this right now. Once again,
Look at the
down
calendar.
in
Obviously,
my
it's Friday. So we
trade
got
day
bacon, cheese,
account
and
in
high
like
noon, my favorite number of
a
the week.
minute.
Well, Eddie, what else do we have?
Let me see. What's the trade time on this? 2 minutes again. It's 2 minutes yesterday and 2 minutes again today. QSI went to 520. Yeah.
Why the hell did it just do that? Why did it just do that? This thing just started playing Top Step X.
Could be the top, temporary top. $50 or 49 orders. Yeah, 450 next level, and then 500 and 550.
All right, I'm gonna figure this damn thing out. I'm gonna figure it out, damn it. Oh yeah, today is Friday. Oh my god, yeah. The holidays in the middle of the week has definitely dude, like I really thought when we came back it was like Monday or something like that. The time has really I really don't have my sense of time is definitely gone right now. Today's Friday, forgot about that. So Friday's run. And you nasty thing, NQ. I might actually go back to my oh my god, dude.
Actually, trade days dashboard, they keep the earnings calendar. I mean, not earnings, economic calendar on. So we got ISM coming up, PMI.
Oh, do we?
Yeah, that's at 9 o'clock, I
9
think.
o'clock.
Yeah, 9 o'clock. So yeah, I ain't touching this until that comes out. I'm gonna just chill. I don't want to get caught up in a position and then be close to the news. They don't give me the delta. But I want to take this long so bad because it's gonna at least hit 450. That's at least another 20 points from here. At least.
Come on, Come on, Nasdaq. You ain't gotta be nasty like that. Man, Nasdaq, come on, dude. You don't gotta be nasty like that. Come on, baby. You ain't gotta be nasty like that. Oh, okay. I see what you're doing. You're telling me to get the scale instance with more contracts is what you're telling me to do. I see that. I see that. Like, hey, scale into more contracts. Go full port. I hear you loud and clear. No! Oh, no! Oh, hell, oh my God! Yo, the Nasdaq is like, dude, you ain't gotta be like that. Yeah, chase my stop. Why not? Chase it. Yeah. Okay. Yeah, well, there goes that account. I see what you were saying yesterday. I hate the fucking Nasdaq too sometimes. Okay. Well, that account's going for no reason.
A passionate hate for the NQ.
It's not fair. It's not fair. I mean, we're definitely trending. I mean, if I go.
Oh, there's scaling in the fund and the MFF side.
What do you mean scaling? Oh yeah. You got if you got the 50K, I mean, you start off with like 20 or something. Dude, that's not even fair, bro.
It's not. It's not. Wow.
That's the wrong strategy. Why did that shit dump right there randomly like that? Where did that dump come from?
Maybe. Well, we still got 13 minutes. I don't say they're trying to maybe prepare for the news, but they usually do that like 5 minutes before. This thing has breakout potential on the 60K chart.
Hmm. Okay, so they probably might come down here to R2. Damn, that's not even fair, dude. Man, it's not. Hmm.
I guess you know what I can. I can try. Good morning. Oh, Alfred, you gotta. Yeah, I didn't even know I had it. It automatically reset on the rebuild date, so I was like, okay, whatever. I guess I'll trade that. Guess I'll trade it. And then I'm done in 2 minutes. I don't know why, but that doesn't feel. It just, I don't know, it doesn't feel right. But they got their consistency rule, so that account's done. And it's crazy looking at the chart. It wasn't even a big move. Same thing with yesterday. I didn't even catch a big move. It's basically the exact same play from yesterday.
What are you talking about?
Like 2 contracts. I caught. Looking at it overall,
Dude, that is not even fair, dude. Like, that's not fair. Okay, go ahead.
I only caught a blip on these charts, and since I can't do anything because of consistency rules, it forces me to be done. Otherwise, I would have held out yesterday and held out to this top. So what, they took it to the VWAP on ES? Oh,
Yeah.
on 1,000 tick. Which, that's 1,000 tick that you got up?
Oh shit, yeah, it is. I just noticed I don't got VWAP on this chart. Blasphemy. I was looking at my other chart. I was like, yeah, this is where VWAP's at, but
That is kind of crazy.
I was like, hold up, where the hell is my VWAP? I don't got VWAP on this chart. Yes, I do. Oh, it's a weekly one. Oh, okay. Actually, let me take a. It's the weekly VWAP versus the session. Because we're intraday traders, though, I don't need the weekly VWAP.
Yeah, JC, that is very true. Got all these different props. I'm like, what was their rules again? It's like they slight variances in their rules
Mm-hmm.
makes all the difference though. Do I have a consistency? Do I not have a consistency rule? How many cons can I trade this right now? Is it scaling? Trail and drawdown? Nah. I think the only one doing that stupid trail and drawdown really is Apex.
I think doesn't the expert account on MFF have a trailing drawdown too?
I don't know. They're too expensive for my taste.
Yeah,
They
they are.
charge too much.
Yeah,
Charging way too much.
yeah, that is. Yeah, that is. Yeah, it definitely is, man. Man, yes, you could have tapped that damn target. Damn. Like, dude, this.
Oh yeah, they did you dirty. Dang. That's like some NQ behavior from yesterday.
Hell yeah, dude.
Dang, QSI, do your thing. QSI, do your thing. Let me check the stats now. I gotta be up over 300%.
Do your thing, QSI. Do your thing. Yeah, that shit's gonna probably pump. Dude, I think we missed it, man. I think it's gonna get to the point to where either you get in or you're just gonna have to get in at a higher price. Actually, let me look at my bad. Hey, I gotta look at the gamma for today. Kind of environment we in. Yeah, so if you got QSI, the biggest gamma level is at $7.50.
Oh, because that's the option strike too. That's the last one. That's the highest they go on the well, as of yesterday. I don't know if they added any new levels, but on the options chain, but that was the highest that it went up to. Because I was gonna look at doing leaps. I was gonna look at doing the poor man's cover call,
Mhm.
just buy it super in the money, and then see what happens. But they only went up to 750 on the strike. But let me see. Let me look at it. Let's look at the options chain. We got January 10th weekly. See, they didn't even have. I think they must have just added the weeklies because I didn't see it before when I was looking at this when it was around $1. All I
Mhm.
saw was monthlies.
Mhm. I mean, that shit's getting popular now, so they're gonna add. I don't know. Which broker you got? You trading options with?
Fidelity.
You got to trade. Well, let me look at Tastyworks. Actually, let me look at that. Because I mean, honest, like I said, if you're trading options, Thinkorswim or Tastyworks should be your go-to. But I mean, and interactive brokers. But I still think Tastyworks is probably like the best platform.
Yeah, I opened up an account with them. I just haven't funded it yet.
Wow, NQ. I mean ES. Dude, like what the? Hit that target. Damn.
3 minutes to the news.
Damn.
News, algo, all of that.
Wow. All right. So I guess the ES wants to piss me off this morning. And I hit my target. She did that shit to me twice. She did that shit to me freaking twice, dude. It's hard to borrow it right now. Options. Let's look at trading it. You said that it only has weekly strikes. And Tastyworks has it all. Well, shit. They only have it up to $7. The January 17th strike has it only up to 752.
Yeah. Yep. And the premium for calls, 750 calls. I mean, that's 2 weeks away. I wouldn't. I mean, yeah, it could do it, but that's a gamble. Well, shoot, it's 550 right now. What if we hit $6 today? Like this thing going crazy off the hype.
Yeah. Hype is
I'm
one hell
going
of a drug.
It is. It's a super drug. Cause I'm like, y'all know this ain't a. That's just because they got quantum in their name. It's not even like a quantum computing company.
Don't tell nobody that. Don't tell nobody that.
Nah, because one of the dudes in at Stock Twits was like, y'all do realize it's not basically saying the same thing. I'm like, yeah, no. He's like, I think they're past that now. Somebody responded, yeah, I think they're past that now.
Shit, if they were
Matter
smart,
of
they
fact,
would turn themselves into a quantum computing company if they were smart.
Ride the hype, yo. Let me see. Somebody wants to short. They always try to. Bears will be bears.
Yep.
This thing is just blasting up, and you want to short.
Of course. Of course. And when I see price go up, I need to short that. I need to try.
People in the chat and Stock Twist, they're too funny. That's one of my favorite apps. Next to Reddit, Wall Street Bet, Stock Twits is like the next best thing because people be mad, they be hating, and then they be super bullish and super bearish. Oh, news.
Let me see if I can kind of get back into one more.
Nah, they gonna pump this.
Yeah, they definitely pumping this.
They gonna pump this. That was just a clear out and catch some liquidity. They gonna pump it.
Mm-hmm.
I don't even know the numbers. Let me look at the numbers. He said, of course. I see it going up. I gotta short it.
Bears don't want to see good things happen. So like the Bears' first question, I was like, what the hell is everybody happy about?
That's crazy. Because in order, like you said before, in order for you to get like a real good short, something bad has to be going on. Usually, the economy or whatever.
Mm-hmm.
Like when that Russia news first popped off,
Mm-hmm.
man, I shorted the heck out of that and made like, yeah, it was a crazy amount of money I made.
Yeah.
On one contract. I think, or no, I think I'm thinking about CPI. One of the CPIs back in the day.
Mm.
I made like 9K off of one contract. It was insane.
Wow.
And then of course I gave it all back.
Of course. I can get some more. You kept shorting the bottom?
Majority of it back.
You kept shorting the bottom?
What happened that day? So I set the limit before CPI dropped. It wicked, filled my order, and then dropped. And it was all within like literally like a second, 2 seconds. That's how fast it was. And then I'll see my balance up. I'll immediately try to close everything. Because you know the spreads go crazy and yeah.
Mm-hmm.
And then after that, I try to keep trading, and which I should have just been done for the day. But you know how that go. I'm like, man, I could get more.
Of course. I just made 9K in 2 seconds. I can make double that.
I'm like, I think I can get a little bit more, squeeze a little bit more out of this.
Mm-hmm.
And I think I finished the day probably with like 2K or something. I don't know, something stupid.
Mm-hmm.
And then my high from the 9K trade was definitely ruined.
I think
make CPI great like that again. I ain't seen a CPI like that in a long time.
Mm-hmm. And we got CPI next week, so shit, you might get your wish. You might get your wish next week. Because again, we're playing that will the Fed cut rates game again. So if we get, actually, I'm not even going to sit here and try to do the mental gymnastics that the market tries to do with the CPI. Just going to trade the reaction.
Oh wait, I can't hear you. What the heck happened?
Oh, you can hear me?
You mute yourself? Oh yeah, I hear you now.
Yeah, I'm not even going to play the mental gymnastic game. So if it's bad, it's good. It's good, it's bad. I'm just going to trade the freaking reaction.
Yeah.
Just going to trade the reaction. But that's a game we're definitely playing. For sure, we're back to that game again. Because the Fed has already said that they changed their mind. I mean, that's the reason why we got this big drop in the first place, because they were telling investors that, they had a whole plan of cutting rates throughout 2025. And now Powell's talking about, actually, you know what? Never mind. And that's why we had that big drop on FOMC.
Hold up. Wait a minute. Bro, this thing is at 572. What? It's climbing.
Yeah, baby. Yeah.
Oh my gosh.
Dude, we making money in this ES trade right now. Yo, we making money. Yo, we up 2,700 in this ES trade. Let's go. We're up 27. I got you this. Because if that shit comes back on me. No! No! Apex, I hate you. I don't deserve that. I don't deserve it. And then it's going, no, please. No.
Wait, what happened?
Yes, no. As soon as I move my stop up, trying to be professional, it wants to keep on going. No, as soon as I move my stop up, that's not fair. It's not fair. No, it's not fair. It didn't hit my targets too. No, it's not fair.
Yeah, so we got good numbers, or better than expected
Do we?
on, yep, PMI. The manufacturing employment is worse than expected, but manufacturing PMI and prices are better than expected.
Right.
And that's about it for today. Well, we got Fed.
Is that a double top on the ES though? On the Nasdaq though? I'm bad. Go ahead.
Barkin speaking in about an hour, and then Atlanta Fed at 12. Atlanta Fed GDP. GDP now? What the heck is that? Anyway. Rate cuts? Don't let Crash Kari come in.
Like they put his ass on vacation. They literally had him in a cave for sure and said that, yeah, he's on vacation.
You're not speaking anymore. We'll call you. We'll let you know when we're ready. We're ready to dump the market again. We'll call you. Dang, this thing still ain't clear out 450? That's surprising.
Ah, damn it. That's actually a place where
Well, the ES looks like a double top.
I think we can get to at least 70 because it wouldn't even make sense. Okay. I think we can get
Well,
this.
you know how they do. Look how they did at your break even or at your entry. That's 1, 2, almost triple top.
I mean,
And the ES don't play
this could.
unless
You said what?
she's trending. She don't play.
Yeah,
and we kind of are trending. So we'll see if you get your. Pretty sure you get your targets.
Yeah, I think so. Especially a retest at that high for sure. A retest at that high for sure. And I probably have to be quick with this damn thing. Because I am kind of at the top on this. Damn it, yes, come on.
What's trade days consistency? I know Alfred knows. He probably get. I always meant to do that. Get a spreadsheet and put every different prop firm's rules and stuff, so I can reference it and not have to freaking go to each site. That mess is annoying.
That's what we talking about, baby. Hit them targets. Dude, we got 4K on the ES. I ain't trading the Nasdaq no more. I ain't trading her no more. It's now ES anonymous. It's just now ES anonymous.
You'll be back. Now I will say ES is really different now. She's not. I can't even make fun of her. How she only used to move like 4 points for hours. I can't even claim that anymore.
And she stuck to her core value. That's what I love.
She stuck to her core values, her principles. She never gave up her standards.
Man, come on, baby, hit that target. Okay, I'm gonna have to probably put some trailing stops on the ES because, man, yo, she is notorious for this crap now, dude. She did this thing, like, dude, she literally messed me by a tick again. Yeah. All right. She literally missed me by a tick yet again.
Yet again.
Hit my damn target. I'm gonna have to put some trailing stops on this for sure. Because that's annoying. I mean, I don't mind if I miss a couple of ticks. So after we get out this trade, I'm gonna do it. Because that is annoying.
What happened to your auto trail?
That's
strategy?
for the Nasdaq. I don't expect that for the ES.
Oh, I got you.
The ES kind of, I mean, you kind of know where, I mean, it's gonna get there. But yeah, she's been doing that crap. Like, she's been, like, this is like the third time she missed me by a tick.
Apex.
Hit that TAM target. Hit it. Hit it.
Hey, for who trades Apex in the chat? Anybody still trade them? Raise your hand if you still trade Apex. Okay. Oh, damn, what was my question at? Oh yeah, what's their payout? What's their payout schedule? Did they change it? Did they ever change it, or is it still 1st and 15th or whatever it was? $8? Oh shoot! Whoa! Oh, okay. Okay, Apex. We might have to pick up in the 20 accounts.
Oh man. Okay, I'm putting my trailing stops on ES. I'm putting trailing stops on ES, dude.
$50 for 5 of the days. Yo, they
she'll hit that stop though. She'll hit the fucking stop though. No, you bitch! No! I can't let you do this to me. No!
But with ES, it usually will shortchange the high. Right
dude.
To the T. That was a good trade idea. It just sucks that it didn't fill your order.
Damn. Well, say goodbye to this damn thing. This thing gonna probably hit me with a trailing drawdown. It's gonna probably hit me with the trailing drawdown. Unless. Damn. All right, I learned my lesson with the ES. Don't trust her. Put a trailing drawdown. I mean, a trailing stop on her. Oh, she did that shit to me 3 times today.
All right, Apex. You may have won me over again. Are they starting to take people to live accounts? I mean, they're gonna have no choice with the CME dropping the hammer. But has anyone ever been into a straight live account, or is it all sim funded? Half max size and P. Okay, they trying to. September 2026? What? I'm not laughing at you. I'm laughing at how crazy that is. 2026? What? That is crazy.
What did you do to get? What did you do? Or what did they say that you did? Like, nah, fam, you can't get an account until till September 26th.
Like, what? At that point, I'm mad F y'all. Okay, so half size until balance is double drawdown. Yeah, they come up with the craziest rules.
Okay, she did it again. All right, ES, you are a bitch. I don't know what's wrong with you today, but you being a real bitch today.
Sim then live. Does anybody have a live Apex account? Or how long do you have to trade Sim until they move you to a live? They really, man, rules like that, they try to keep people from succeeding. But that was
Yeah.
kind of always their angle. Dang, 3 to 6 months. All right, Apex.
Oh. And Jack says, tell her, sure. Yo, ES is acting. Yo, she acting up today, yo. What the fuck? Yeah, this account might be gone, man. I don't think we're gonna probably see these highs again. This account's probably gone. Okay, I need to put a trailing stop on it. Yeah, I'll put a trailing stop on this damn thing.
Okay, I understand it now.
Yeah, this account's gone, yo.
Double top. Yeah, it's a double top on the NQ. Yeah.
Yeah, this account's gone.
We enjoyed the run up. Definitely fun. QSI dropped like, I don't know how much percent. Went from 570, now it's down to 525.
Yes, heard. I was like, yo, we up 4K, baby. She was like, oh, you up? Let me take that away from you. Oh my god.
Let me get some of that.
Oh my god. Yes, why? Why are you doing this to me? I don't trade the NQ no more. And that's probably what it is. She acting up because she's like, oh, you ain't gonna trade the NQ no more? I don't have to compete. That's why she acting up right now. You don't think I'll go right back to the NQ? I mean, if you're gonna do this shit, I might as well go back to the ES. I mean the NQ. You know what? Let me see if I can. All right, let me see if I can. Is the Nasdaq still dropping?
And he's back.
Nah. I'm gonna have to keep faith with the ES with this one. I gotta keep faith.
Welcome back.
I'm just more surprised that I'm gonna shut up though. I'm not gonna say anything. All right. Let me see if I can kind of
trade them.
Let me see if I
I
can.
thought Apex allowed bots, or
they may at one point, but I don't think they allowed them anymore.
Oh yeah, because of that thing. That dude, what, he lose like 200K or something?
200 million. Or he was his account was up like 1 million or something like that. Yeah. Yeah, his account was up was like 2 million.
I don't know. That is kind of crazy.
And the bot kept buying the dip, or at least according to Apex. Which I mean, I'm pretty sure. I mean, I would have to ask. Well, I'm just gonna keep it at that. I'm not gonna try to decipher if they're telling the truth or not. You know, I don't care. I mean, because at the end of the day, it's their game. They can make the rules.
Yeah.
If we press start, we gotta play by their rules. But yeah, that bot will be tortured. I will make an environment just to torture it. You want to buy the dip, huh?
I'll make an environment just to torture it. Oh, so you want to buy the dip, huh? Got something for you.
Yeah, this account is probably gone, man. There it goes. Okay. Well, I was up 4K. Let me do this shit now, because I ain't gonna lie. That's That pissed me off. That pissed me off. I can't believe that shit. I can't believe that. Yo, the ES was showing herself today. Man. All right. So ES stopped me. Damn. Shit just straight dropped, dude. All right.
Yeah, this can definitely go.
All right. So what, that first, I probably put this at 3 ticks. So that first one, so because she was missing me by a tick like all day today. So let me try out 20. Let me try out 25. So I'll probably, yeah. All right. $34. 3.
Come on, baby, keep bouncing. Break out of this downtrend. Oh, no.
All right, so on the last one, I mean, it's kind of hard to get that last one. I mean, I'm gonna have to catch a move like this. So I guess what I'll do with that last one is because I kind of want the runner to hit, but I don't want it to. Oh my God, did this thing just do it? All right, so yes, stop. Yes, stop 2. Yes, stop 3. Because what I don't want it to do is it's a runner target. So what I want this one to do is probably when it probably gets past 12, I think. Should it be 12? I think when it gets to like 45, probably want to trail this.
Go, 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 go. How many cons you in? 1?
Yeah.
Man.
I should take this on. No, don't. Forget about their stupid trail and drawdown.
All right, so where did we bounce from? All right, so we swept liquidity. I mean, this looks like a block. This looks like a block right here. Unless they just straight up trade through it.
Yes, sir. We caught the bottom of that move. Let's go. Ah, shoot. Now they hit. They rejected it off that 2150 level. I don't even got the fibs drawn on. Back to VWAP.
Well, that account's gone. I guess I could reset it, but I mean I don't want to get caught in that reset trap with Apex. I'll probably reset it once.
Oh, they got a reset trap.
Yeah, of course. It's cheap resets. It's like $40.
Oh,
That shit adds up. It adds up. All right, let me get this in, man. If I see a real setup, I'll get back in the eval. But dude, I was just up 4. Oh my god, dude, I can't believe. Man, I was just up 4K today, and that shit was gone, just like that. Just like that, that shit was gone. Had a clean scale in. Okay.
if they hold 340, then I could see another leg down. If they break out, then oh, you got out. 11 points. Yes, yeah, that's good on ES. That's really good. So is it like $100, 100 and something? Oh,
The middle mind says that he's up 30K. He's about to strong arm Apex. He says that we're headed to the daily 10 EMA. Where's that at? And how's the 10 EMA been working out for you? I really don't want to add another. I don't want to add another EMA on this, but I am curious to see where the 9 EMA is. Let me just look and see where that's at.
9 is good for like keeping the trend because it usually bounces off the 9.
Oh, does it?
And if it breaks the 9, it'll go to the 14. And if it breaks the 14, the 21 is like your last hope. You break the 21, then we already know. All right, you need to get out because you're on the wrong side now. But yeah, the 9 is good for. I like it for intraday, and it's good for keeping the trend. Wow, this thing. Wow.
ES is too easy to trade, baby. Look at this free money. Free ES money.
Well, I'm long in Q near the bottom of that last drop, so
Are you?
I'm long at 275.
I mean, it did bounce. Yeah, okay, I see it. We are finding support at the at the
We just need to
23%.
break out above 340, man. I'm gonna put. I don't want to, but I'm gonna put this stop at VWAP because if they can't break out over 40, and
Well,
we're
the
good.
ES is yeah, the ES is about to go down. It's I mean, we might get this might be a bear trap underneath this low. We might get a bounce at 42.50. But I mean, well, at the same time, no, because so this is why I took the short. My I should have took this in the damn eval, but man, that shit pissed me off. But anyway, I mean, the only reason why I'm kind of skeptical about going long before without a pullback is because of right here. You got, I mean, we got this range of liquidity right here on the ES, and we somewhat got a double top right here, and we got a two-legged pullback into an area of previous support. So I mean, I don't think we get a full-fledged reversal or nothing, but I'm thinking that there's unfilled sell orders here. I mean, we got the drop, but I mean, I guess we could keep going up because we got the leg, we got the pullback into support, into a previous area of support. And so I'm thinking that the market wants to come back here first. But I mean, shit. I guess we could see a move up like that. Guess we could. But they definitely have to take out that high at 56. I don't think they're going to take this high out. Not right now, at least. I don't think they're going to take this high out on the ES. But actually, what I should do is actually mark it.
They keep freaking rejecting 340.
Five, 9, 5, 6, 50. 9, 5, 6, 50.
So what? Do they allow DCA anymore, or?
I think they went back and changed that because I think they was losing a lot of money on that. Or I guess they lost a lot of paying customers from that. So they, for whatever reason, I think they went back and changed it. We're gamblers.
But then you gotta stay within like I don't know, like a 30% thing. I heard them talking about that.
Yeah, you gotta stay within 30% of your threshold or something like that. So you can't use your so if I was in a funded account, what I did right here, if I got my money back, they probably would have denied me. I probably would have got denied because I let it come all the way back down like that. I'm pretty sure I hit that 30% threshold. Pretty sure.
Oh.
Actually, I don't care for that 9 EMA anymore. 9 EMA. Actually, let me look at it first. Let me look at it first. Let me see if I could have used it in some way, because I feel like the 21 is better. I feel like all I need is that 21 EMA. Yeah, I'm just going to keep the 21. Yeah, it's kind of like a low key. It's like now these prop firms low key have a daily loss limit. Aside from the one that well, I guess the daily loss limit is what could be considered a soft breach, and obviously hitting the account drawdown would be a hard breach. All right, well, I was wrong on this one. We didn't get a pullback. Or I guess, yeah, we kind of did. And I guess, yeah, that was the bear trap right there. All right, well. Yeah, okay. That was the bear trap. I wish the ES did this shit before. I would have got my money back. Man.
Let it ride, baby. Long the bottom.
You know what that means? Revenge Trade City, baby.
All right, they stopped me out on that.
Well, I guess I learned my lesson then. Put your stops on the ES.
Okay, last question. For the evals, are they still doing pass in a day or is that not a thing?
I know they was doing a I know that they was doing a that was part of their promotion. But they may not be doing
Okay. The crowd has spoken.
Did you know what the code you could? All right, so I guess they're still doing the 1 day pass. Well, I guess they have to get people to blow up somehow. I mean,
I know they need that money coming in. Like I would have passed yesterday, freaking NQ goes all the way, liquidates me, and then pumps. I'm like, yo, you can't be serious, NQ. But of course you wanted to do that to me. You don't want to see me happy. You don't want to just take my money. But take his happiness too.
I like what the ES did. Yeah, we up 4K today, baby. Oh, I just blew the account.
Oh, whole attitude change. We don't want to just take his money. Take his happiness. Yeah, that pass in a day is a drug in itself.
Mm-hmm.
We got him. We got him.
Oh, he says, "Oh, you think you up 4K?" Yeah, we can change that. Yo, I mean, dude, that dropped. Like, come on, dude. They ain't had to do that. They ain't had to do that. They ain't had to go that hard. Like, dude, they was like, dude, ES made sure she liquidated me, yo. Like, what the fuck? And then she bounced. Like, what the?
Yeah.
I would have had all my money back, yo. That's crazy.
Want to take his happiness too. We don't just want your money. We want your happiness.
You want your happiness too.
So 450 and 505. I think we could get up to 550 at some point today. Low key, look at all them orders sitting up there.
All right, that's fine.
They're demanding it. We demand 600.
Oh, that's actually okay. We'll see. I'm actually short this. Again, I'm in the sim. So I want to see if this trend line short is gonna work. Because they're at that trend line. I want to see if it's gonna work.
on demands it.
All right, never mind. Never mind.
Oh yeah, that trend line gonna work as support.
Yeah. And you can see that they yeah, dude, whatever these algos, yeah, these algos. I don't know how they see these trend lines though. I mean, I wonder how the algos are written to where they know exactly where the trend lines are. Damn, Investor C said, yeah, yeah, dude, that they know what they're doing with that 1 day pass. They know what the hell they're doing. He says the gamblers are going to do what they want to do. Not calling anybody gamblers in a derogatory term, but we'll get them. Tell them that they can pass in 1 day.
Apex Mafia. They're the mafia that runs the casino. That's what Apex is.
Mm-hmm. I mean, basically,
That's
this all this
exactly what
is
they're
online
running.
casinos for sure. Or yeah, online casinos. Yeah. Oh no, 59.54. 59.54.
Yeah.
59.54.
That's exactly the correct way. Now, if you want to get in, catch this long, because I firmly believe we're going to go up. You could set
Alfred, damn, Alfred, you said you got liquidated today?
there.
Yeah, like I don't know, man.
Because
Hey.
it's clearly trending back up.
Oh shit, the
Now,
IRS they're gonna have to figure it out.
But I think they're gonna break it. That's just my opinion. It's too much bullish momentum right now. Overall, I think it's gonna get broken.
Yeah, JC, that's my problem too. I was up 4K and I probably would have kept trading. Yeah, because it doesn't feel like enough. It doesn't feel like you've done something. It feels like you can keep on going and make more money. Dude, I mean, we made 2,700 in that trade, and we had a good entry. It was really good. I could have been like, I'm done in that account. My follow-up trade was decent. I just should have managed it better. But when I saw that I was up 4K, I should have closed it out. But I ain't gonna do that. I can make some more. But damn.
Yeah, I know it's ES. Now this is like a quintillion top right here, but hear me out. I think they're gonna try to go for 6K. 6K
No, I think no.
90 or 990.
We probably get to like 70. We probably get to 70 because where did I see that at? Let me get on the bigger time train. We probably get like to 70, like right here at that value area high, around like 70. We'll see though.
Yeah, that's a good spot to have it.
But I'm not saying that we reverse here. I'm saying that it's highly likely that we'll probably see people want to sell here at this value area high on ES. Because the ES definitely likes doing that for sure. These value areas have definitely been areas where the ES reacts at after it's been established. We'll see though. We'll see if we get that. Mhm. 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 All right, so that's a trend line break. That looks like a trend line break about to pop off. Let's see. I'll keep my stop right where it's at, or my entry right underneath that candle. There we go, baby. All right, let's see where we get to. Let's see where we get to on this trend line break. It'll hurt my feelings if they push up and they close right into the trend line again.
It's a trap. It's a trap. Don't fall for it, Sherm.
Mm.
They needed your cells to go higher.
We got him. Hey, break that trend line a little bit.
We got 'em.
Break it a little bit.
That'll get him in. Ladies and gentlemen, we got. What time is it? 9:45. Oh.
Yeah. 526. You said 21 526.
That's 560.
Okay. 21 526.
We got him. Now the thing with the ES is this has to break out.
Mm-hmm. ES has to break out. There's no question the ES has to break out. The Nasdaq, that's the wild, wild west for sure. 525 has been acting as major resistance and major support. All of the December contract, and it seemed like that level was holding true in the March contract as well. That 525 level. Actually, hold on. I think my daughter's show turned off. Give me a second.
like they're gonna try again. This is 15.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, as long as they hold that area. As long as they don't sell off now and they hold this area, I think you're good. They sell off,
It's for its time.
but you gotta be ready for whatever happens. Pretty much. Because now it's looking weak now. I feel like they might be exhausted unless they just needed more liquidity to go higher. Can we get much higher? So high. Mm, mm, mm. I told you scaling. Shoot. Yeah, I would have added at least 3 more. Dang, right back to break even. Now's your chance.
Put 3 up here.
Nah, you do what you want. I'm saying these are the real time decisions you gotta make.
All right. Shorts are in effect, baby. Getting this free ES money. Come get it. Free ES money. Free ES money. Come get it.
That's okay. Y'all just help me scale into my long.
Let me look at this, dude. Because I mean, if the ES did that shit, I mean, I don't know, man. With the Nasdaq, I don't know. I don't know.
I know the NQ could flip on a dime, so I'm prepared for either situation.
Yeah. Yeah. Let me stop talking shit about the
look like
ES. You said what?
does look like they exhausting.
Yeah.
Now in my bear goggles, I would probably short this, but let me just put my stop above break even, just in case they come with some BS.
I mean, yeah, we could see a move up because I mean, if you're going to use the EMAs as an indicator, they ain't pushing off of it. They ain't pushing off of it, at least not right now. Now, I'm not going to be surprised if we see a bounce at 300, which is highly likely if we do see a move down there. The 200 EMA on the ES is exactly where my first target is. So I wouldn't be surprised to see if we do see that move down. That'll probably be where it bounces, honestly. Yeah, be just like capitalizing on it. You said that you had to scalp today. Yeah, it does seem like that kind of day where, I mean, if you don't take your profits when you see them, something like this can definitely happen. Yeah, I was up like 6 points on this one, especially the Nasdaq. I mean, yeah, the Nasdaq. I mean, that is choppy price action for the Nasdaq. That is pretty choppy. Now, you would think this is an ES chart right here. Actually, let me look at this. So this would be the trend right here. Oh shit! Look at this, the Nasdaq.
Yeah, get out of that. Or at least put a stop on there. Above, yeah, above your break even. Anywhere, anywhere in there, as long as it's above your break even.
I mean, if you got this trend line break right here, if he caught it right there, 50. Hold on, this was 100. Hold on, this was a 100 point, dude. Yo, this trend line break on the Nasdaq was 100 points. Damn near. This is almost 100. Well, damn. So if you had a trend line on the Nasdaq and you shorted the trend line break, you made money. Mm. If we see a move up to, like I said, about 970, 972-ish, I'm actually going to take that short in an account. I'm going to take that one short. See what happens there.
Good, good. Hmm. Is this the extent of that move?
Damn, dude. I gotta delete all that, huh?
There they go.
So take off.
Huh, interesting. Interesting. Well, I mean, I know that they're different, but the Nasdaq and the NQ, their trend lines were in different places. Or maybe I drew it wrong. Never mind, I drew it wrong. I apologize. I drew it wrong. Obviously. Okay. All right. All right. All right. All right. Yeah, I'm gonna short a potential double top right here on the ES. Unless it's the real drop. I mean, yeah, obviously it shorted 670 by like 3 ticks, and I was looking for 670, but of course, ES, of course. We got to drop at 69 and a quarter. So I'm thinking that if we do see price come back up here, we probably might get that 70, 71-ish to run the liquidity above these highs, and then we might see a move down. Oh man, that's not fair. Ugh, man. All right, man, that's not fair. It's not fair. Okay. Actually, let me look at that because maybe I looked at that wrong. Uh, well, um, I think we just got a trend reversal. I think we just got a trend reversal. Wow, look at that. Look at that trend line rejection. Look at that trend line rejection at the highs on the Nasdaq. You got your first rejection. So it seemed like if you wanted to be a bear today, yeah, you can see how we got the three touches of the trend line. That first trend line break, that was almost 100 points right here. We got the break at around like 340. Yeah, around like 345-ish. And that it moved all the way down to 261. And that was an 84-point move just waiting for the trend line break. It came back to the trend line. You got like a 384. This was a 50-point rejection right here from this trend line. And this one right here is the one that we just seen the rejection from 411. And this right here was a 74-point rejection. So all right, so I'm definitely going to be shorting 970 for sure. I kind of wish that it got to 970 and not 969. Or yeah, 969. 969. That's funny. Anyway. So if we do see a move up here, I'll definitely be shorting it. Ugh. Yeah, Alfred. Yeah, I definitely agree with that. And investors see, yeah, I mean, dude, it's just one of those things. It took me a while to move from minis back to micros, but I'm not surprised that I found myself back to minis. I'm not surprised. With the ES, I'm not the ES. With micros, there's so much room for error. You'll blow less accounts for sure. But that's the double-edged sword with micros. That's the double-edged sword. You're not going to blow the accounts, but you have to be very patient. Stick with a plan so you can get consistent gains. You have to be cool with the amount of money that you get. Micros do require a lot of discipline. And for those that stick to the plan with their micros, that is a big deal. It really is a big deal. Because if you catch a 50-pointer in micros, I mean, the first thing that your mind says, like, damn, what if you were in minis catching this? And we all know that that's true. What if you were in minis? Yeah, it definitely does, investor fee. Shit, y'all saw I was up 4K. And I let that shit come all the way back, and like, dude, that I had about 7K in that account. And all that shit is gone. 7K in that account. And that's why I'm not going back to the Nasdaq. I'm gonna keep trading the Nasdaq and the sim. But for these evals, these evals in my funded side, I'm definitely sticking to the ES. That's now going to be a solidified rule. I'll trade in the Nasdaq, trade the Nasdaq in the sim. I blew that account in literally under a minute this morning with that back and forth price action crap that the Nasdaq was doing. Literally blew that damn thing in a minute. At least with the ES, when I have size, at least I know that it's not going to do too much whipping back and forth. I'm not going to blow the account if it drops down a little bit if I'm on the right side of the market. Oof. Yeah. Yeah. And that's why I was having with the Nasdaq. So I mean, we found a winning strategy with the Nasdaq to where it really relied on, well, first you had to find a really good entry. I mean, with only 3 micro Nasdaq contracts, and if you want to make some money, you really have to pick your spots. So the strategy was, so this was basically my strategy for the Nasdaq. And here's the thing about this strategy. So I would get in that supply or demand with initial contract, and I would scale in 3 more contracts at like 27 points. And altogether, I had like a 54-point stop, which would have been a $450 loss. But if I were to capture this whole thing and ride it up, it would have been like $700 or $800 catching like maybe 100 and something points. There we go, baby. There we go. And if I lost this trade, statistically, if I got in again, that trade would not only put me back at break even, but I would be profitable. And for a while, I mean, we made so much money with that strategy. But the only thing that I did not like about it is that I had to catch 100 points on the Nasdaq, 100 plus point on the Nasdaq every day. Now, I'm not saying that the Nasdaq can't do it, but what messed me up with that is that, well, when I'm in the funded side, when I'm in the funded account, I'm not gonna want to have to trade 100 and something points just to be profitable and just to get a payout. I kind of want something that was more reliable consistently every day. Now, I can always go back to that strategy and just deal with it. But then I was like, man, and then that's when I was telling myself, I was like, dude, if you just trade a little bit more contracts, you would make more money, or at least the money that you need to make to get your payouts. But you already know how that shit go. You get to the amount of money that you need, you see the P&L keep going up. Like, I'm up like $800-900, right? I should close this shit, right? But I'm not. I'm just not. Because my mind is telling me, dude, we're in it, we're up, why close it? And you already, I mean, shit. I mean, it's not like you're telling yourself something that you don't want to hear already. So yeah, okay. Yep. I like the trailing drawdown. The ES will never do that shit to me ever again. Ever again. or my trailing stop. Probably what I should do is probably like manage this, like manage these stops, like manage it as it goes up. But then once it gets close to the target, let the stop come up and trail it. Honestly, I probably would have been out. So 54. Actually, nah. Actually, let me just do this shit now. Oh yeah, I'm in the ES. Mm. If that shit would have come all the way back down, I would blow the account. If this was an Apex account, I would blow that. Damn. Damn.
Yeah, I know, right?
Oh, you caught this long?
Yeah, I've been scalping it because of Apex. That dang trailing drawdown.
Mm,
Freaking, I wanted to just hold, but
yeah.
can't really do that.
Yeah, you can't.
Any dips take away all your drawdown.
I mean, I'll leave this to run just in case. Why not? Oh, which account size did you get? Shit, that might be a Head and Shoulders pattern right there.
300.
Yeah, I mean, especially if you want to play big boy size, yeah, you need that 300K account.
Yeah.
Yeah, it feels like the 300K account is the only account size that actually feels like, okay, I don't have to worry about a trailing drawdown. I don't have to go tilt because of a loss because I can easily get the money back. But getting to that 20K target sometimes. So in this move, I made about $5,700 in this move, getting this free ES money. Yeah, I think this is ES anonymous now. I mean, because altogether, if the Nasdaq, if the ES didn't do what she did to me this morning, shit, this would have been a 9. I made 9K with the ES today.
Yeah, I feel like I should have taken it. It's white.
Yeah, game weight, you're right. It ain't yours until it's logged into your account. It definitely is. That's definitely true. Yes. Yep, yes, you're not gonna ever do that crap to me ever again. Ever again. But there has to be something wrong with that one because the it didn't move up, so it has to be something wrong. It didn't trail it, so there must be something wrong. I think it was this one right here. I think that was ES stop 3. Make sure that's not what ES4 is doing. Okay. All right. All right, so I'm in that short of my other two accounts. All right. And we'll see what happens. Okay. You said that you're looking for ES to breach 90. Well, I might have been wrong on that short. Let's see though. I might have been wrong on it.
$20K pass.
Congratulations, bro.
Man, I mean, I had to scout back and forth. It's up 2K, then it dipped, took away 2K of the drawdown. I'm like, yo, if this thing drops, position's cooked.
Well, shit. I guess with that account sacrifice you gave yesterday, the NQ was merciful to you today. She was merciful to you today. You know what I require.
Yep.
You know what I require. Please, NQ gods. I want to pass this account. You know what I require. Choose the account that you'll want to sacrifice so your other accounts can flourish. And it has to mean something too. It's just that you can't buy an account and sacrifice. You got to almost be passed. Then the sacrifice will mean something.
The sacrifice begins.
He's about $300 away. He's $300 away. It is shit. And that's definitely a range breakout.
Yeah.
Oh.
See if I would have held that. Oh my goodness. No, but that drop would have cost the account. See, that's yeah. So you just got to make it past the threshold, then it stops the live trail.
Okay. Okay. Wow.
Yeah, the 150 calls on Nvidia probably would have been nice.
Because I could look at the. Yeah, we didn't get out. Well, let's look at Nvidia. Oh shit! You know what? That's what I should have been looking at before I took that short. And I gotta stop doing that damn thing. I gotta stop doing that. All right, so we're in positive gamma now. Look at that. Yeah, the 140. Yeah, if you bought, so this is the gamma for Nvidia. So if you bought Nvidia, do this real quick. Yeah, so if you bought Nvidia, literally at this little consolidation range, so this was at like 3. Yeah, this thing is shooting towards. Well, it's at its highest gamma level right now at 144. You can see that it got to the gamma level when it dropped, it dipped down a little bit. Probably like 145 maybe. Look at SPY because I might have messed up on that ES short. Yeah, I might have messed up.
590.
Yeah, it's heading towards 591. That's where it's trying to go towards. I guess we're in a neutral gamma environment right now. Mm. All right. Well. All right, guys. I'm out of time. I gotta head to this meeting. Okay. All right. Well, we did get on the ES today. I might pay for that short I took. We'll see though. I got like 2 points of drawdown left. But all right, guys. That's it. We'll come back later on tonight and we'll earn some more money. That said, peace out.
All right, later.